if I come back and I stand over there and film, I'd like to know.
You will not be arrested because you have not been legally placed on trespass.
Okay, see, that was the question.
You're about to get the shit kicked out of you.
I am about to get arrested for nothing.
Put your hands behind your back. You're free to go?
Oh, well, if I'm free to go, I'm free to stay.
Thank you. You have any questions of us?
Yeah, those are there for me. Yeah, he doesn't like, he had me trespassed. And so now I'm here protesting against that. I tried to talk to him earlier. He probably wants to have me cited for harassment or something. We'll see how it works out. He'll be digging himself a hole if he does.
Hi. Hey, David.
So what's up?
I appreciate you being over here.
Yep.
All right. I'm just letting you know he wanted to do a report for, I guess, and I watched the video of yours. I wouldn't be following people around the parking lot. Okay. I understand that he's the postmaster here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? If you want to speak with him, I would go higher than him and go to his supervisor.
I tried. So far, it's been, I mean, last time we saw each other was August 26th.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I put in a complaint right immediately afterward. And
Okay.
I tried calling him earlier today to find out exactly what my status was. I wanted to find out exactly what he told you, whether he wanted me trespassed or if he just wanted me to leave.
Yeah, so today I show up and you're right here. I can't trespass you from here because you're doing the right thing.
Yes, sir.
You're standing out here.
Yep.
You're expressing your First Amendment rights, and I have no problem with that. Okay, it's when you are following him while he's trying to do his job to the parking lot that becomes an issue of harassment. I'm not the one that's going to be arresting you for it. Okay, but if this continues and he feels threatened or harassed, more reports will be done, and then it just goes from there. Okay. I'm just giving you that
But
heads
it's
up.
going to be him that's going to be going to the magistrate and getting a judge to file either a restraining order or a warrant for harassment.
Well, if he wants to do that, then that falls in his court.
Yeah, and that's this is your legal obligation. You're allowed to do this. That's his legal obligation. He's allowed to do that. Okay. I just wanted to give you that heads up. All right, maybe pick another place where we're not using the same clientele, and this can eventually get you in trouble. I would hate to see that. Okay.
I mean if I'm over there when he's over there.
Yeah, if you're following him to the parking lot, I have no problem with you expressing your First Amendment. I think we got off on the wrong foot. It's just a matter of I want you to do it the right way, so you're not getting yourself in trouble.
You're really redeeming yourself right now. You probably saw the comments. The comments weren't very kind.
No, I didn't. I've been sent the video. I haven't had the
Opportunity to sit down and watch it.
Yeah.
You're really redeeming yourself now. The problem that I had when you came before is you came right to me and told me I had to leave without going in and talking to him first. Because I spoke to Connie Williamson, who's the supervisor inside. She said that he never wanted me trespassed. That I wasn't there when he spoke to you. So that's why I called him earlier and I said, I want to know exactly what you said to Deputy Abel.
No, you haven't been officially trespassed here. Honestly, if we show up and we have to go through that process, then I would just be understanding about it. But if you're right here, I can't do that to you, and I'm not going to do that to you because you are within your rights right here. Okay. Now, if you're under there doing the same thing as last time, and he says, "Hey, I want him gone," you get what I'm saying? Like right there is their property.
Yeah.
The parking lot, technically, with their vehicles. They could stretch that, but I'm not going to stretch that because this is all public property to me.
Yeah.
Okay? But that being the post office, technically, still the post office.
Yeah. Yep.
All right.
I'm up on the laws about that stuff probably more than you are. This is something I'm doing.
You got any questions for me? I'm going to get ready and leave.
Yeah. Will you go in and ask him if I'll be arrested if I go over there and film sometime? If I come back and I stand over there and film, I'd like to know.
You will not be arrested because you have not been legally placed on trespass.
Okay, see, that was the question.
If I come back and he says, "Hey, I want him placed on trespass," then you will be placed in our system on trespass from the post office. Okay.
Now that would be a criminal trespass at that point?
Yes, it would be every time after that. You are liable to be arrested every time.
So I can come back one more time, then after that he'll issue an official trespass warning.
He has the right to do that, yes.
Yeah, all right, so I can go over there right now.
And that's all what the state is allowing us to do. Anything that he does with his supervisors and all that's completely up to them. But as far as statewide, if I come here and he says, "Hey, I want him off of this property and I want him trespassed from this property," you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean, if he had just simply answered that question, I spoke to a couple of different people. All you had to do is say, I didn't have you formally trespassed. I just wanted you to leave. I mean, I probably would have dropped this whole issue. But right now, there's a complaint in, and I called him earlier today and asked him, what is the status of this? What did you actually say to Deputy Abel, and what will happen if I come back and film? And he hung up on me.
Well, hey, that's something you got to take up with the post office.
Yeah. All right. Well, good. I'm glad to know what my actual status is.
So, and if you're gonna go over there, I'm just letting you know. More than likely, we're gonna be back. We'll see each other again tonight.
All right. Yeah, I won't be tonight. I'll come back Monday or something.
All right. Hey,
yeah.
Like I said, I like that you're doing it the right way, and I wanted to also say that I'm sorry for last time. Yes, I should have gone inside and spoken to him first. You're absolutely right about that.
Yeah, you're a stand-up guy. I'm gonna tell you that.
I will admit when I'm wrong. I'm not afraid to admit when I'm wrong.
Yeah, that's cool.
I was wrong that day, and I was wrong on certain aspects of how I went about that. So.
Yeah, did you do a little more research on identification laws?
I have.
South Carolina, and whether to stop and identify state?
I'm going to be honest with you. With what I had that day, I could have identified you due to loitering laws. I didn't think about it then.
Public filming there's already a precedent in that Supreme Court case that says that if you're actually engaged in filming, it's not loitering. It's not prowling either. That comes down to time, place, and manner.
Yeah,
so you know that.
And you're right, but there's also state laws that, and I read up on them, and we could have gone that route. It wasn't worth it.
Yeah, it wouldn't have worked out well.
There's certain incidences when you can stress things a little farther, and that one wasn't worth it. So. But if you don't have anything further for me, I'm going to go ahead and leave. So.
No, hey, thank you. You did a great job.
Absolutely, thank you.
Oh no, that was a breath of fresh air, man. That was great. He really redeemed himself. He got a lot of hate in the comments in that original video. Yeah, but he apologized. Good job. I just smell weed. Ooh, somebody's smoking. There's a frickin' 2 deputies right there. 2 deputies. And I think it's that white Suburban over there too. I think it's that white Suburban. It's either that white Suburban or that white car that went up by over there. Man, smoking weed with the cops around. Okay, Lonely Pamphleteer signing off for now. I'll be back on Monday to film again.
Can a police officer legally remove someone from public property simply because a government employee complains? Under the First Amendment, recording matters of public interest is generally protected, while the Fourth Amendment limits unreasonable government interference. Trespass laws also require proper legal procedures before criminal enforcement begins. In this encounter, the deputy distinguishes protected expression from potential harassment, while the citizen questions whether the previous police action complied with constitutional standards.
This is outrageous. This is a violation of my Second Amendment right.
Great. We'll talk law all day long.
Where's the sign saying no weapons? Where are the signs, officers? There's no sign saying I can't have my weapon. Show me a sign. You show me a sign and I'll never come back here.
Ignorance of the law is not an
Excuse me, Sergeant? There is no sign saying I cannot have a weapon.
Now you're going to be, if you want to be arrested, is that it?
For what?
For what?
Sergeant?
Right now we're going to go with having a weapon in the city park.
Sergeant, there is nothing saying I can't have a weapon.
Post a sign that says that then.
There
Otherwise,
has to be a sign posted
yes, there
for me
does.
to know the law.
There doesn't.
Where is the sign, Sergeant? I'm going to get arrested.
Well, it's going to court, so we ain't paying a dime. The city's going down.
This is against the law. This is against my amendment right. My Second Amendment right, Sergeant.
Then hire an attorney when you get done with it.
Sergeant, what's your name?
Sergeant.
Sergeant what?
Vargason with a V.
Sergeant Vargason? Sergeant Lays off? You didn't do anything except you wanted to tase me, sort of. It's not your fault. You're just following orders. He said you have a taser, did you not? Say again, Sergeant? I am not making this worse. You guys are trying
How is he
to
making it
violate my
worse?
Second Amendment right.
How is he making it worse?
All we did was ask you to leave.
And I was leaving, was I not, Sergeant?
No, you were
I
not.
was going this way.
We were going to our vehicle,
I was leaving.
and you guys were following us.
This is against my Second Amendment right. I have been walking around this park for 3 hours, and no one said a word to me. But now I walked by you.
Including him. We walked by him
You
3
were over on the
times.
other corner, correct? and I have my weapon, I'll walk right
And he
by you.
looked
You
right
didn't say
at
a
us.
word to me. This is a violation of my Second Amendment right.
You can hire an attorney, can't you?
I am being detained. Am I not?
Now you are.
This is against the law.
Great. Careful what you're picking up.
Hello. Oh yeah, I need a lieutenant or something down here on the corner. I know. I am talking to you. I need a lieutenant or something in charge at Platte and Nevada. Yeah, I'm being detained for no reason at all.
So she can jaywalk? That's cool.
Please send an officer. No, I need a real officer. No, I'm not. I'm with someone that's detaining me for no reason at all. This is bogus. I can't wait to get this into court. This is bullshit.
You're going to send your lieutenant?
No, because you guys are here. Could you please call for a lieutenant, Sergeant?
Can the Army do something?
The Army can't do anything.
Hey, Rick. Hey, Sergeant.
Sergeant Stain. Sorry, guys. No.
And I was leaving. This is bullshit. I'm going to pick up my water. Is that okay?
Sure.
Anyone got an issue with that? And I walked past those two officers right there. They didn't say anything to me. Way to go for looking, Sergeant. It's a good thing the ACLU is right there. I'm going to go talk to them as soon as I go and disarm myself. This is against my Second Amendment right. What doesn't make a difference, Sergeant?
You have a CCW.
Concealed weapons permit, basically?
That's what it is.
That's just what I was asking. I didn't.
Yeah, that's
So I
what
don't know the acronyms. Yes, I do have a concealed weapons permit.
Is it? But he just asked me if you had one. I said, no, no.
I do.
It doesn't make a difference. Sir.
It's from the
Why?
state of South Dakota, and it does
Doesn't make a
matter.
difference in the state of Colorado or South Dakota right now because you're not concealed.
I don't have to be concealed. I am doing my Second Amendment right here.
How long you been in the Springs, James?
I've been in the Springs for about a month. No, I am not anymore. I'm retired. Sergeant.
What branch?
Doesn't matter, Sergeant. I'm not going to give you any more information.
Okay. I'm not trying to make a big deal out of it. I'm just asking.
You are. You're asking me information that has nothing to do with the situation. Am I free to go, Sergeant?
Why?
Are you going to arrest me?
Are you going to answer my question?
Okay, answer
Why?
this question.
You're not involved in this.
Yes, I
Okay,
am.
why am I not allowed to go, Sergeant?
Doesn't have anything to do with it. So we're gonna let
I'm
you
with
sit-
him.
Event supervisor make a
Has
call
nothing
on
to do
So what's going on?
Has nothing to do with you. Has everything to do with me.
Okay, so we can leave then.
So, can I have my
Explain the
license back, Sergeant?
situation or we're going to leave.
Chelsea want to arrest you.
Explain it.
Has nothing to do with you, and I don't have to explain it to you, sir. I'm going to explain it to him. It has nothing to do with you.
Whatever.
Excuse me, Sergeant. This has everything to do with him. This is my partner.
It has nothing to do with it.
This is against the law. You guys are breaking the law right now. Here, you're gonna take this. You're gonna take this. This stuff that doesn't matter. If I could, I'd take my weapon off and give it to you too, so you can go.
Yeah, well, we're still in a city park.
Now I'm not.
Take it off.
I think Cubs are. Then let me go. I am. For what? Why am I being detained, Sergeant?
Why do you have to yell?
Because this is illegal.
Well, then,
Let me go, or I will walk away.
that's going to be a mistake for you.
For why? Why would it be a mistake?
Just telling you it's going to be a mistake.
Why, Sergeant? Explain to me why it would be a mistake.
That's why they have a court system. You can question it when you get there.
There is no sign saying I'm in violation of anything right now, is there? There's no sign anywhere stating no firearms downtown. I did not go to the pub because I have a weapon. And that's against the law. No, this is an outrage. I should be allowed to go. You threatened to tase me, so I gave you my ID. Actually, you threatened to arrest me, so I gave you my ID. Now, I would like to go to my truck so I can go home.
Displaying a weapon in a city.
I am displaying a weapon in a city park with no sign saying that I cannot have my weapon. That is a violation of my Second Amendment right, officer.
Now,
Yes, I am being allowed for 2 reasons. One, because I'm being detained illegally.
Duly noted. He's getting it all on camera.
I'm gay and I'm carrying a weapon. So you feel threatened by me, Sergeant, huh?
You have a weapon.
I have a weapon downtown. So the security guards that have weapons downtown are fine?
It's because they're higher than the law.
They're higher than the law.
Yep.
Just like the taxis here.
Yep. Just like all authority here.
I think I'm just gonna go.
No,
I
you
did
can't.
nothing wrong. Then give me my ID back so I can put it back in my wallet so I can go. You can't walk this way, they're gonna get pissy at you, so be careful. It's because I got a weapon in the park where it doesn't say I can't have one. Supposedly I'm ignorant to the law though. And I got threatened to be tased. Did I not? Because I wouldn't give you my ID, you were gonna tase me. Actually, you were gonna tase me.
All on camera.
It is now. And am I correct? You wanted to tase me.
Is that what I said?
Okay, you said you have a taser. Did he not? Yes?
Exactly.
So you wanted to tase me because I wasn't going to give you my ID. And then you were going to arrest me for not giving you my ID, which I have no reason to give you my ID. But I did because I don't want this to go on. I want to go home.
Do you have a reason to give you?
I do not have a reason. There is no sign downtown saying I can't have my weapon.
Okay. Like I said, you can bring this all up in court.
Here, I'll move up towards the fence.
just stay over there.
I'll just move up towards the fence so she can walk by. That's fair?
What?
Okay, thank you.
See,
He's being polite.
Now I'm out of the way.
Sir,
so
step
people
back
can
a
walk
few
by.
steps.
Why?
Because
Just
I
don't
asked
step
you
on
to.
the phone.
How you doing, sir? I'm being arrested, sir?
I have no idea. I don't know what's going on.
I would just like to go to my pickup and go home. I'm parked a block away. I just want to go home. What's your name, officer?
Peltz.
Peltz? Lieutenant? Or just officer?
Just officer. What's that? Okay.
They're going to arrest me for no reason. They're putting me in the back of a police car for no reason. I have asked to be released multiple times. I am not going in the back of a police car, Sergeant. There is no reason for me to go in the back of a police car. Do not put me in the back of a police car.
Where's it going?
What's that?
Where's it going?
Where's what going?
Where am I going?
You're still going to be detained.
I don't know, Sergeant. I would like to go home.
Put your hands in the air.
Negative, Sergeant.
Put your hands in the air.
Negative, Sergeant.
You're about to get the shit kicked out of you.
I am about to get arrested for nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
He said in the air, Sergeant, and he is taking my weapon off me. I am being disarmed for no reason at all. Now I'm being arrested for no reason at all. These cops are arresting me for no reason at all. This is an outrage. You sergeants should be prosecuted. This is some fucking bullshit. Excuse me?
Bob, what
Wow,
is
that is the most
What did he
racist
say?
thing I've ever heard in my life. He said, "Is there any booze on my breath?"
Booze.
Go ahead. I will not resist arrest. This is some bullshit. I am now being arrested. This is bullshit. For having a weapon in a park
What?
where it doesn't say it's illegal. Oh, excuse me, Sergeant? 6 years in the Army, I'm gonna murder somebody. You're a fucking asshole. This is wrong. I am now under arrest for no reason at all. Why am I under arrest, Sergeant? I'm gonna get jacked up. That's what he just said. Because I don't want to walk and get in the back of a cop car. There's nothing in my pocket, Sergeant. This is going to court. I actually can't. Just give me 1 second.
No, put your feet in the car.
I'm working on it. Come on, 65. Now I'm getting a ticket.
For what?
Get out of the street, dude. I'm asking you to get out of the street, please. Thank you.
Can police detain someone solely because they are openly carrying a firearm? The Second Amendment protects the right to keep and bear arms, but firearm regulations vary by state and local law. Under the Fourth Amendment, officers generally need reasonable suspicion of criminal activity to justify an investigative detention, commonly known as a Terry stop. In this encounter, officers appear to rely on park firearm regulations, while the citizen argues that no posted prohibition exists and that his continued detention violates constitutional protections. The central legal question is whether the officers had sufficient legal authority to extend the detention and ultimately make an arrest.
Police murder people.
Rob, do you need something? Or you
Police murder citizens. Police murder citizens. Can't stand for the police breaking in and murdering people.
Hello.
Hi.
I can't have you filming here, unfortunately.
This is a public area.
This is actually a private event, though, so I'll have to call campus security if we can't get you to leave, unfortunately, okay?
Isn't this a public
Can you
area?
call security, please, Adam? Thanks.
I'll leave. I'm just asking, isn't this a public area?
We're hosting a private event, and we have the use of facilities for here.
Well, okay, I thought this was a public event.
No, sorry.
Because there was no payment to get in or anything.
Yeah, no payment to get in. We still can't have any filming on campus without college permission.
All right, well, everybody else has a cell phone with a camera on it, so.
Well, I appreciate your cooperation. Thank you.
They said they were going to call security on me. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I mean, I don't really want to leave, but so this is a private event, but you can just walk in. Police kill people. I don't know what I should do here. Should I wait for more security and police to show up, or right, police murder people?
Hi, sir.
Where's the exit?
The exit is straight in that corner over there.
Okay, well, I still think this is a public event.
This is actually state property. It's owned by the college, so we're going to have
Which
to
is
ask
public?
you to, well, we're going to have to ask you to leave. Security is on their way, so this is a private event. We have a use of
It's my First Amendment right to protest in public.
I'm sorry?
It's my First Amendment right to protest in public.
Not at a private event, though.
A private event when you can just walk in?
You need permission from the college to film on campus.
I'm not filming. I'm not filming for Hollywood. I'm just doing my own personal.
I am just telling you my understanding.
Haven't you ever heard of freedom of the press? And you know what freedom of the press is? The First Amendment right that we all have.
Yes, I am aware, sir.
It's freedom of the. It's freedom of the press, ma'am. I'm not committing any crimes.
Yes, you are distracting our customers at this time, though, so I do need
That's
to have
not. Is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
I'm not the police, sir. I'm just asking you to leave. Like I've said, you need permission to film on campus.
Okay, well, I disagree with you.
Okay, well, then I guess I will have security meet us over here and they can explain better to you.
It's my First Amendment right to film and protest here.
Yes, I've
Haven't you ever
heard you.
heard
Like
of,
I've said, you're not.
Haven't you ever heard of Penal Code 148G?
You know, I am not familiar with that, but it's
I didn't
okay.
think so.
You don't like my answer, so what we're going to do
I
is
don't
wait
think
for
you know.
campus security.
I don't think you know what you're talking about.
Well, I am going to call security since I don't know what I'm talking about, okay?
It's our First Amendment right to protest. So, I'm just going to go for a walk.
Actually, if you could wait here for security, that would be great, sir.
No, you have no authority over me. I'm not running away. I'm not running away. I just
need to make sure that when security
I'm just
comes,
enjoying enjoying the fair here and,
I appreciate that.
using my First Amendment rights to protest. I haven't committed any crimes at all.
I did not say you committed any crime.
Well, then why don't you leave me alone and kick rocks? Well, then why don't you leave me alone and kick rocks?
Kick rocks, yeah.
All right, they're probably calling the police and stuff. Oh, here they are. I'm gonna go wait out front for them. The security called the police on me. So I'm not even gonna run. I'm just waiting out here for them. There they are, right there. You calling for backup or what? Why is she saying it's a private event when it's public? You just walked in. What are you gonna do? If I was breaking the law, I mean, wouldn't the police be there like real quick? since this is like right next to the police station. They're telling me I can't go in a public event. It's my First Amendment right to protest. It's really kind of pissing me off. He was like, oh, you gotta stay there, you gotta stay there. I was like, no, I'll walk around if I want to. I ain't getting detained by no security guard, that's for sure. Hey man, I have a question. They were telling me I can't walk in there, that it's a private event, but I'm saying that's not true. It's a public event.
Yeah, that's correct.
And it's my First Amendment right to protest as an American. And the girls freaking out in there, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna figure it out right now.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, maybe you guys can let her know that it's my right to do this. I'm not committing any crimes right now.
Nobody's telling you anything else.
Yeah. Well, in there they were telling me to get out.
You're free to do whatever you want.
They told me to get out when I was in there.
You're free to do whatever you want.
Well, if I walk back in there, she's going to do the same thing and threaten to call the police again. And so, you know, that's violating my First Amendment rights as an American. Anyway, she doesn't know what she's talking about. Told me to get out. This guy seems interested in my sign. Are they gonna freak out if I walk down this street? Oh, this is a private event. Oh, pretty good. How you doing?
Can I talk to you?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
So the security call.
What's your name and badge number?
4299.
What's your name?
Deputy Rice.
Okay, thank you. What's your name and badge number?
Deputy Stewart 5213.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Can you tell me your name?
My name is Good Citizen.
Okay. So security called us because they're concerned about you wearing the mask here at the fair.
Is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
It's not a crime.
Exactly. So, you know, they can leave me alone. I'm just protesting as an American. It's my First Amendment right to do so. And I have no ill intent toward anybody.
Yeah. That's why we're just
It's my right to do this. Yeah. So you're dismissed. You guys are dismissed.
Have you been? Well,
I'm not gonna answer any more questions. You guys are dismissed.
Okay. You don't want to talk to us anymore?
Not really.
Okay.
Because I haven't committed any crime.
That's fine.
So you can videotape and do everything all you want. They're only asking that you don't walk around with your hoodie on and you don't walk around with your face covered because you're making.
Is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
Uncovered.
Are you law enforcement or feelings enforcement?
You're making everybody here uncomfortable.
Oh, so you're feelings enforcement?
If you would like to.
Is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
If you would like to appease everybody else in the community.
So to wear this on my face, is my First Amendment right to protest and wear this on my face. Thank you.
We have the right to talk to you, right?
You have the right to try to talk to me, yeah.
Right. So we're just hanging out.
All right, well, I'm good, so I don't need any more help. I'm good.
You're free to go?
Oh, well, if I'm free to go, I'm free to stay.
You have any questions of us?
Yeah, why do you guys violate people's rights so much?
Have we violated your rights today?
No, but I'm just saying I've seen a lot of, and I've heard a lot of stories and seen a lot of stories of people getting their rights violated when they're getting frickin' tackled and kidnapped when they have not even committed a crime.
Involving us?
No, not you guys in particular. You guys look good right now. It's just I don't know why you're still here.
Okay, we're just hanging out. We're just saying
Okay. Well, then I'll go walk around then.
What links these three encounters is not simply ID refusal, open carry, or public recording. It is the moment authority must convert a request into a lawful command. At the post office, the deputy corrected the prior encounter and earns a B, while the citizen's measured follow-up earns a B+. At Acacia Park, the officers moved from disputed firearm enforcement to arrest and receive a D, while the armed citizen identified legitimate issues but weakened his position through escalation, earning a C. At the street fair, deputies recognized that discomfort was not a crime and received a B, while the protester protected his position but used unnecessary confrontation, earning a C+. The practical rule is simple. Ask whether you are detained, identify the suspected offense, remain physically calm, and challenge questionable action, later through records, complaints, or court, not through roadside escalation. For the next case, select the video now appearing on screen and continue through the ID Refusal Pro series.